Welcome back, everyone. I'm continuing with the electrifying and insulating plan around the perimeter of the dome. There's those new boxes in place. Now we need to get two circuits refed from above. It'll be this circuit in this area here, and then this one over here, both of which used to be fed from below. And for that, we'll bring both of them through here, through this last bay that winds up right above the electric panel. But the one problem with that plan is, much like the weirdo framing plan in this other room, there is a 2x6 going the length of the room right out at the end of that refrigerator wall. You can see the crease in the ceiling goes along here. So we've got to get through that. Just got to use the long drill bit, or the extension. And drill through back there, some 39 inches away. Looks like that's a double 2x6. Now I've got my pair of 12 gauge wires straightened and taped together here to make fishing easier. Hopefully. Should be able to just shove this all the way to the other end. That's right, there's blocking at this edge. For this ventilation detail. So we're gonna have to move our pine cone. And here the blocking has another block on it for some reason. Let's see what's the deal with that. There we go. But it wasn't covering a convenient wire fishing hole. Alright, I'll drill my own. Okay, now I gotta make a hole big enough to fish that out of there. Too low. Back it up. About there. Of course, nails. Yep, and I can't drive that out of there without disturbing the drywall and its J-trim there. Almost out of the way. Okay, you guys tell me, is that wire in there? And I managed to hit it from back there. Alright. And on through. This is going to be semi-visible through this venting from below. I'll put it through this nice gray conduit. Hey, more foam. I'll take that. Well, so I spent all afternoon drilling holes. That was exciting, eh? Sorry. but I am committed to improving the entertainment value in the future. If you would like to donate to improving the entertainment value of the future, you can do so at fullerdomehome.com. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.